Hello and welcome to our training videos. In this very short video, I just want to give you a quick tour of the members dashboard area. So after you've logged in to your membership login area, the first time you should come to this dashboard, and you can see here it will ask you just to confirm your membership details. So make sure that everything here is okay. If not, just let us know and we'll fix that up. And then depending on which type of product you've purchased, you have access to either the complete step-by-step WordPress user manual, which is the non-editable version. So you can just click here and it will take you to the page. Or if you've purchased the rebrandable manual, you have access to it here. So you can click here. If you'd like to upgrade, you can click on the links here to find out more information and purchase if you'd like to upgrade. And also, if you've purchased the Elite membership, you can click here and it will take you to the Elite members area. Or if you'd like to upgrade, just click on the link here for more details. Now, something very important, please make sure that you subscribe to get member and product updates because we will be updating all the content and we'd like to keep you informed whenever we make changes. So just enter your details and subscribe here. And if you need any help, just click on the contact us button. It'll take you to the contact form and you can get in touch with us. Okay, so I hope this is just giving you some idea of how to navigate in the dashboard and get your products. If you have any issues or problems or questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.